Brimstone Recreation in Tennessee, dude.
Matt Wayne, West Virginia, bud.
Redbird State Recreation.
We're hitting Lake Michigan, bud. Heading down to Georgia. Heading out to Badlands.
Interlake State Recs. Heading to Old Eagle Creek.
Heading up to Lake Massinawall.
We have made it to Florida.
This kid's weird. Oh my god. Gang, gang. On the beach, just chilling. Full rebuild GP. Bob's driving us. Max is over here with the heat waves. God, this is good. No shoes. That van coming in clutch like always. Yep. Cowboy boots, life jacket, no shirt, dude. That's rowdy. This is the new owner of my old XP. Do that one hitter, that double trouble. No! Noodle, noodle. Hey, where's Noodle? Whoop! I don't know what I'm gonna do with this noodle, but I'll probably keep it. I'll tie it on the front or something. Dude, we're in the berry seat. Hey, yeah, you can pull that up there, dude. Brand new, orange. Needs wax. Holy shit, dude. It's slick. Oh yeah, them rocks are slick.
So far, it's a pretty pussy ass waterfall. I know, I think we've seen bigger ones.